Girls and their endless troubles. Trust me, no guy would understand that. From a snooze alarm to an unexpected brunch to a last minute invite, the day changes fast. And through it all, I need to be ready and still ask myself where to next. I'm always running late. And the one struggle that never leaves me, figuring out where to keep my stuff. Because when I walk to the airport with my Vivian bag, it's hard to believe that she holds everything that I need. She's beautiful, structured, kind of like a version of me that remembers to hydrate and charge her airpod. Ombre style colors, contrast of zipper and bag, adjustable straps, smart strip on the back, hop zip up style with a steep flap to conceal, spacious on the inside with internal side pouches and compartments, outer zip compartments, laptop compartment inside, expandable on the top side, both side of bag with snap button. It also has a smooth printed lining which adds to the aesthetics and protects my things. There's a place for everything. Charger, water bottle, book I pretend I'll read, emergency snacks, and yeah, the flap over zip saved me more than once from my lip balm launching across the terminal. I know it's silly, but I just love to overpack and then just snap those side buttons open. Like, yeah, I packed 5 outfits for 2 days. What about it? Some days, even getting ready feels like a task. The bag never matches, or it fits everything but what I actually need. But then, some mornings just feel like a soft song. No alarm, no rush. Just a little blue sky, a warm latte, and my Tia. She just fits with the mood, with the outfit, and with everything that I carry. There's something about Tia which makes me walk slower, but in a good way. Like maybe I'll take the long route home today. Maybe I'll sit outside and finish a chapter for one. Adjustable straps, spacious side pocket, silver accents, durable top handle for another way to carry, front concealed zip up pockets, complementing blue trims. She's the perfect size for a brunch, date, or day trip. Fits everything that I actually need and none of the guilt of overpacking. Honestly, she's a treat in herself. Even I did not know I needed in a backpack. I don't overthink it. I just grab what I need. A phone, a notebook, some snacks, scarf, AirPods, water bottle, and my makeup pouch. Hydration is a must. Tasted but powerful. And don't be fooled by the queue. Some days, stepping out feels great. But carrying all of my stuff, that's the real challenge. That's why I always grab my Merlin bag. It's stylish yet simple, keeping me organized without the clutter. Because honestly, sometimes the best part of the day is just being out here, feeling free, feeling connected. And with my Merlin bag, I can do that without distraction. The woven front is like nature's own design, blending that rough outdoors with the touch of city elegance. It feels like the perfect mix of adventure and style. Side pockets are for the little things that you need access to, and I honestly always need my keys where I can easily reach them. The straps are adjustable, which is perfect when I'm running from one thing to the next, but I don't want to compromise on my comfort. Merlin is my grab and go bag. Whether I'm on a hike or wandering through a street market, it's not too bulky and still somehow spacious. I can keep all of my essentials and still feel light. Ready to elevate your travel game? Whether you're exploring the city or escaping into the nature, Caprese Travel Collection has a bag for every adventure. Shop the collection now, link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to Caprese on YouTube for more styling tips. Hit the thumbs up if you loved all the looks and share it with anyone who could use a travel inspiration. Bye!